Is Solana going to break $300 this cycle, or is the top in once again? In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the recent price action and also some areas for interest and targets for the longer term. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below, I'm going to pin two links, one to our website where you can find out more information about us, and also a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates. So starting here, looking at the weekly chart on Solana, it's very clear that we can see $250 is very strong weekly resistance. That was the top in the bull market at the end of 2021, and in November last year and also January this year, that was the exact weekly resistance. So something to keep an eye on in the future, of course, is a weekly close above this. Close above $250 on the weekly, and we go into price discovery mode, and that is when we could likely see a push towards $300 or even beyond. But all of the time that we are trading below that, and we're kind of on the weekly chart, we're seeing this sort of slow grind up, we have to consider the possibility of a more aggressive correction, particularly in September. Now, if that comes, I'm interested in the $130 area, and we can see how, again, on the weekly time frame, that's been a really key level a number of weeks, and we can really see this is our range from now, 250 to 130. So looking for the test really at the extremes, and if we do get a move down to 130, I would be interested in increasing my position for long term in Solana. Now, if we go over to the a lower time frame, so if we look at the 4-hour chart, and actually I've just recently entered a long position which I shared with the premium group. This was given at $200. We can see that this area here, this was our entry. It missed a few times earlier in the week, but finally filled yesterday, and we've so far got a nice reaction from that level there. So as long as this holds, I'm expecting a little bit more upside, perhaps towards 205, 206, as long as we are trading above that $199, $200 level. Now, if we do get a more aggressive correction, now I mentioned 130 on the weekly time frame, that would be for sort of a spot allocation. But my next area of interest for a leverage trade or even a swing position is this 4-hour order block down at around $190. You can see it's quite a clean level there, yet to be retested. So I'm going to set my alerts for this over the coming week. Any move down towards 190 to 186, 187, something like that. That's the next area I would expect a strong reaction from. But yeah, all of the time we are trading above this 199 level. I'm looking for more upside. Hope you find this video useful, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What are your long-term targets for Solana? And I'll see you on the next video.